Yo, what's up guys, welcome back to the channel, and today I'm going to show you how to use Klover's retirement planning tools. So these tools provide a simple and effective way to plan for your retirement, and here's a step-by-step guide on how to use them. So first thing you want to do is to log into your Klover account. Of course, you can do that on the mobile app, or you can do that on the official website. And once you're logged into your account, you want to click on retirement and then select plan for retirement. Now you're going to enter your retirement goal information, including the goal amount as well as the deadline. And once you're done with that, you're going to have that set up, and you can view your retirement plan whenever you like from Klover. You can also track changes to your retirement plan over time on Klover. So yeah, that's pretty much it on how to use Klover's retirement planning tool. Hope you guys liked the video. Hope you found the information useful enough. If you did, like the video, comment down below, let me know what you thought, share the video with your friends, and subscribe to the channel if you haven't done so already, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace.